In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change the date of birth in your Gmail account quickly and easily. This is a simple Google account setting, and it only takes a few steps to update it. If you've entered the wrong birthday before, or you just need to correct your account information, this guide will walk you through the process from start to finish. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to myaccount.google.com/birthday. This is the official Google account page where you can manage your birthday information. Once the page loads, sign in with the Gmail account you want to update. Make sure you're logged into the correct account before making any changes. After signing in, you'll see your birthday details on the screen. Find the birthday field and click on it to edit. Google will now allow you to update your date of birth information. Carefully enter the correct day, month, and year so everything is accurate. Take a moment to double check the details before saving, because this information is tied to your Google account settings. Once you've updated the date of birth, click Save to confirm the changes. Google may take a moment to process the update, but once it's done, your birthday information will be changed successfully, and that's it. You've now changed the date of birth in your Gmail account. If this tutorial was useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss the next quick how-to guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.